Hi, this is Lorenzo's YouTube channel. Hi. Hi, this is Lorenzo's YouTube channel. Hi. This is Lorenzo when I'm at the beach right now. Now, we're filming today. You know me. And now, we're at the beach now. Now, if you want anything, and you know me, I'll give you the giveaways. Because we have seashells, and we're going to find some seashells. Don't worry, watch. I'll find some seashells on my YouTube channel.
Shut up.
I'll tell you about the channel, what we're doing today in this channel. We're finding seashells and staying on the beach for an hour long. This is what we're doing. This is what we're doing today. Watch. Watch, we're going to take this. We're going to look for some. Look at me.
Oh, my feet hurt.
Look at this. Look. This is my beach. If you want one, we won for the giveaways. If you want these, you have to win for the giveaways. These only cost $32 if you want them, and 99 cents. This one is $32. This one's $32. And this one is also $32.99.
Lorenzo, stop. Here. Just.
This one's $32.99. And if you want to do it, we're gonna have $32 these. And if you go, these are gonna be for the giveaways for you guys if you subscribe. And this too. And we're gonna do shout outs today. Every week I do shout outs, you guys. Okay? On the wheel today. Today's gonna be different.
Put the phone down and enjoy the beach.
No, right now I'm enjoying it right now. I'm enjoying it right now.
I did that.
Because I'm right now still enjoying the beach with my phone. I'm making videos. I need to film a video. A real video. I need to film a real video. I have to film a real video. I have to film it all day. A real video. It was like a week ago. Because this is what I have to do. To get that play button. I have to be, and that way I can get more subscribers. That way I can get more subscribers in the link. On my phone, that way I can get more subscribers. This is why I have to get, that way I can get that 10 million subscriber play button and that 1,000 play button. A 1,000 subscriber play button and diamond one. The diamond play button. This is how you can get that diamond play button.
Look at how pretty this seashell is.
Yep. Let me show them. Can I show them on my channel? This is what the video's about. Can I tell you about the video, Mom? This is what the video's about. Finding seashells. You like it, Mom? You like it, Mom? $32.99. You just
Stop, Lorenzo.
in this we're gonna find some seashells. Some really good seashells. Oh my gosh! This one will be $43 because this one's tall. This one's $43. This one's $51 instead. This one's $51 because it's big. Look at Mom.
Griffin, give me that before it blows up.
That's
Why
51.
would you do that? It can blow away.
That's $51. This one's $51. Because this one is like big. Look at Uncle Rob. Look at.
Nice.
I can't stop looking at the rocks.
You know why I this one's $51? Because this one is a seashell and it's really tall. Look, now I found the biggest one. This one would be $43. And these, all three of them all together would be $200. Just watch. Just watch. Let me show you guys this. We're gonna go find something today, okay? Well, let me show you some seashells. There, we found something. This one's big. This one's big. This one would be $51 plus that one that comes with it. It would be plus a $20, $70 would be. Plus 10 more. Plus 10 more would be $83. It would be. Because these two.
That's not good to be in a panic.
Mom, look.
You can't be in a panic.
Griffin.
These would be $83.
Straight away.
And we're going to be starting up with this much. We're starting with this much today. In this video today. I'm filming it. I'm going to watch the beautiful. And now we're going to be sitting here with my collection. We'll be doing the ocean view. The ocean view. Enjoying the ocean view. Okay?
They're not coming?
Do you hear it?
Michaela and her boyfriend are coming. Martina's going to make this basket for somebody.
And we're going to grab some seashells while we're on the... This one is going to be $22. And if...
Dude.
And these seashells would be... This one would be $10.
I love Florida.
Me too.
And I'm not from here. Yay.
This one would be... This one would be $19.
Well, I did have coffee, but I
No, right now I cannot. I didn't even film videos in like one more month. In a month. In like a month. In a while, because I have to hit 10 million. This one is like. This one is like.
He doesn't. This is gonna go on for a little while.
This one is like $8. Right now I'm filming right now because I need to get that. Please subscribe, you guys, because we're close to getting that 100,000 play button, YouTube play button, and that 1 million play button too. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to subscribe, if you subscribe to me, I'll give you a free shell, seashells. I'll give you. If you guys subscribe. And then I'll pick one of my shoutouts. Every day is different. And whoever we're picking, we're making a decision.
Shut that off now. Come on. Let's relax.
Let's make a decision.
How do I use the sand shifter?
Mm.
Or whatever.
The giveaway and who we won. It would be Anna. It would be Anna for the giveaways. Anna would be the giveaways. She would be the giveaways, but we're going to join now. Now, enjoy. And if whoever is Anna Buscemi, they win the shout-outs. They win the shout-outs and the free iPhone. Anna Buscemi. Shout out to Anna Maria Buscemi.
Put my name on there. Let's come on. Okay, stop it now. Can you stop now?
No. And right now, make sure they enjoy the ocean view.
Lorenzo.